Hi guys, I'm Rich, welcome back to BB's Customs. Thanks for joining me. This is episode 12 of the Honda CB Scrambler build. Today, hopefully we should make some decent progress on that engine. I've got bits which I've polished up. So all the bits you've seen me cleaning up before. If I open these up. So this was the sprocket cover, front sprocket cover. It's now all nice and shiny. I didn't go for mirror polish in the end because I thought, seeing as it's meant to be a scrambler, you know, you don't get mirror shiny scramblers. So I went for a buffed, brushed finish. You probably won't see it very well, but you can just about still see the cleanup lines on there. So it looks like it's been used but well looked after. I've done all the covers like that, so I'm going to throw you into a time lapse. I'm going to set up outside, we're going to put all the covers on and degrease and paint the engine. Okay, so apologies for I might have jumped the gun a little bit. I got a bit carried away, so I've cleaned the engine and I've painted it. This is the degreaser which I used for the engine, which brought it up really nice. Got 95% of all the dirt off, apart from some really in-ground stuff which is in the casting. For the paint, I've used this high coat engine enamel, which went on really nice and easy, and this is how it's looking at the moment. I'm really pleased with how it turned out actually. Just got to wait for it to dry and then take all the masking tape off. I'm not worried about a little bit of overspray on the polish bits, because they're polished. A little bit of metal polish and that will come straight off, so that'll all buff out. So yeah, I'm very happy with how that's looking. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, in the last video I mentioned that this bolt in here, you back into focus. So this bolt here had stripped. This was the bolt which was causing the head gasket to leak. Fortunately, if I bring you down a little, you can see there that that bolt actually goes right through the casting and has a nut at the end of it. So all I had to do was take that nut out, get a new nut and bolt, which is just a simple an M6 standard thread, put that in, torque it up to 12 Newton meters like the rest of them, and job done. No more leaky head gasket, hopefully. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. Next time I'm going to be getting the frame of the bike cleaned up and prepped, ready to have the engine put back into it, and then back onto doing some fabrications of things. I've got to get the seat mount sorted, modify the seat so it goes around the tank. I've got to get the rear fender sorted, so that I can get a new one mounted up properly. I've got one, but it's a little bit big, so I need to cut that down and sort something out for that. Still plenty of things to do, plenty of bits to see. I'm going to be learning all the way. As usual, if you've got any tips or comments, feel free to just pop them in the comments box. I always reply to all the comments. Thanks very much again for all your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.